Good morning and welcome to Yoga Before Coffee. Today we're going to work on standing side bending. But first, let's get started in a breathing meditation to help focus your mind and get you into your body. So again, find the seated position that's comfortable for you. Reach up through the spine. Employ some of those techniques we learned yesterday with mountain pose, right? Straight through the spine, shoulders stack above the hips, head stacks on top of the shoulders. I like to reach the palms up to be open and accepting for things to come. But you can always place the palms down on your knees. It'll help you feel more grounded if you're feeling a little wavy this morning. So wherever you decide to be, let's get started with the breath. Close your eyes, let out all your air. Just take a natural breath in. Notice where your breath is lying today. Is your breath labored or is it smooth? Without judgment, can you apply a quality to this breath? Is it silky? Is it feathery? Is it maybe velvety? And just acknowledge the movement of air. Now begin to manipulate the breath to find a sense of connection and control with the breath. So we'll go to that 5 count breath. Take a deep breath in for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let the breath out for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep this pattern matching your inhales to your exhales, creating an inner rhythm, an inner connection. And can you soften any spots of tension as you breathe? And gently allow your mind to awaken. Slowly become more alert of your surroundings and the sensation in your body. One more round of 5 count breath on your own. Gently blink your eyes open and gaze at me. So keep this 5 count breath. We're going to start to open up and awaken the sides of the waist. So take your left hand, place it down on the ground, press some weight into it. Make sure the weight is still equally on the sit bones. And then reach your right hand up and into the sky. Take a deep breath in. On the exhale, start to reach over towards the left side of the room. Feel this stretch through the side of your body. And take a breath in here. Fill up the right and left side of your body. And let the breath out. Draw the shoulder back, spin the chin towards your bicep. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, rise, come back to center, switch it out. Place the right hand down, place the left hand high. Take a deep breath in, stretch at the side of your body through your spine. Exhale, start to reach over towards the right side of the room. Keep the weight in that palm. Inhale, spread through the left side body. Exhale, release the left shoulder out of your ear. One more, maybe chin spins towards the bicep. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale back to center. Again, relax your palms down onto your knees. One more centering breath to set your intention. Let the breath go. Draw your hands to your heart. Blink open your eyes. Okay, let's get into standing side bend. So this pose sets up similarly to mountain pose. You want to find that hip width distance in your feet once again. And firm up the feet, press through the center of your heel and spread through the ball mounds. Engage these shins and then find that internal rotation, right? The inner thighs squeeze towards each other and the hips roll back. pull. Now stack the hip bones forward, then draw the shoulder blades down your back. We're gonna get into the side body here, really open up some space in the waist. So it's important that you keep your ribs in alignment. There's a tendency for ribs to shift forward and to open up through here, and us to pinch through the back. We wanna avoid that by reaching the tailbone down, spreading the collarbones wide, dropping the shoulders down the back, and squeezing the low ribs in together like you're knitting them together, right? So from here, you're gonna reach the hands up like mountain pose. Spread the arms wide. Again, find that sticking point. Draw the shoulder blades in and then reach the fingers towards the sky. Just feel this pose in the body for 1 second. Take a deep breath in. Let the breath out. Again, inhale. And exhale. Take your left wrist and grab onto your right arm. Press down into the right outer edge of your foot. So you're gonna shift that weight into the right foot, right? And then you're gonna reach up with your left hand, pressing on the wrist. Fingers stay loose. Squeeze the low belly in and tuck the tailbone down. Keep those low ribs knit together. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, start to reach towards the left side of the room. Notice how my hips did not change. I keep the weight pressing into the outer edge of the right foot. Now from here, I can find a little extra space by pressing my left hip into my right, reaching up through the left side of my body. Now what's happening with my ribs? I gotta roll that left inner rib towards you and draw my right upper rib back. Now draw the shoulder blades back, keep reaching through the palm and gaze up towards the sky. Squeeze the low belly in to support your spine. Deep breath in. Exhale, can you reach a little further? Press into the outer edge of the foot. Reach through the fingers. One more, inhale, belly in. Exhale, find length. Inhale, gently rise. Be soft and gentle with your gaze. Yeah, bring your hands to your heart. That can send a lot of blood pumping through your body. You wanna settle, make sure there's no dizziness. If you're dizzy, you can sit down for a second, stop it, and then join us when you're ready. Okay, let's take that second side. Re-cue into your legs. Make sure it's a solid, firm base for this bending. Press into the feet, squeeze the shins, tuck the tailbone, suck the belly in. Low ribs knit, draw up through the collarbones. Reach your hands high, stop, draw the shoulder blades together, reach the palms towards each other. Okay, second side. Take the right fingers, grab onto the left wrist. Drill down through the left outer edge of your foot, firm up through the left leg. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, reach towards the right side of the room. Yeah, stop here. Notice my hips have not shifted. Press down into that outer foot. Now from here, reach up through the fingers. Take a deep breath. Press the hip towards the left. Reach your fingers towards the right. Are your inner thighs engaged? Keep them strong. Is your belly pulling in? And what's happening with the upper body? We're pulling that right rib forward, drawing the left rib back, sliding the shoulder blade down the back. Reach through the fingers, deep breath in. Exhale, maybe rotate your chin towards the sky. Squeeze that belly in, one more, inhale. Exhale, reach, find length. One more, inhale right here. Exhale. Inhale, come to rise. Bring your hands in front of your heart. Slow down the pace, find that yin and that yang, right? We got a lot of muscle tension we just worked. Now you're gonna totally relax everything. Maybe even drop your palms down towards your waist. Just feel your body floating in space. Okay, we're gonna try that one more time, left and right side. If you're ready to move on, you can take it. If not, stick with what we just learned. Okay, so come right to that shape, that mountain pose. Legs are firm, belly's in, shoulders back, ribs are together. Take your left hand, grab onto your right wrist. Reach up through your fingers, drop both shoulder blades down. Squeeze the inner thighs, press into your feet, deep breath in. Exhale, dive to the left side of the room. Nice. Now the weight is really pressing deeply into the outer edge of that right foot. You're gonna squeeze your low belly in. Here's the advancement. Start to shift the weight fully onto the left foot. Onto the right foot. Start to shift the weight fully onto the right foot. Draw the left foot up off of the ground. Squeeze the outer glute of the left foot as you flex your toes and hover your foot off the ground. Can you squeeze the belly in? Reach up through the ribs. Maybe you're shaking, that's okay. Inhale. Deeper on the exhale. Inhale, slowly put everything down. come to rise. Hands to heart. Right away, inhale, second side, mountain pose. Grab onto the left wrist. Shift the weight into the left leg. Squeeze the belly in, knit the ribs, draw the shoulders, spread your collarbones. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, dive to the right side of the room. Send your gaze high, belly tight, inner thighs squeeze. Maybe move to the advancement. Press down into the right foot. Start to squeeze the left foot off the ground. Flex through the toes. Engage the left glute. Inhale. You can press your toe down here if you need to. Exhale. Right. Inhale. One more. Exhale. Reach, 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 reach. And inhale, come to standing, hands to your heart. Deep breath in. Exhale, let the palms go. Really nice work, opening up the sides. Let's get down into savasana. This time, tuck your knees in towards your chest. Find some release for your low back. Gently rock yourself like a little baby, side to side. Give a small massage for your belly. And then notice where your tailbone is here. You want to press the tailbone towards the wall behind you. Get some extra length for your back. And then press your forearms into your legs. Find a little contraction through your hip flexors. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, release everything down to the ground. Make a nice X on the earth. Reach through the fingers, reach through the toes. Firm up your body. And then let everything relax. Come to find that Shavasana corpse pose. Again, find any movements you need to settle into the floor. Sometimes I like to shake out my legs, especially when I've been doing a standing pose. Just get some blood flushing down to your toes. And then one more focused breath in. Open mouth breath out. Yeah, let everything melt into the floor. And start to draw the attention away from your breath and towards the expansion of your mind. So here you give your body permission to stop working, to stop moving. You give your mind position or permission to travel. There's like a cotton candy, gooey kind of sensation to the brain here. Everything is fluffy. And just sit in the comfort of that. Allowing the thoughts to pass by. If you're ready to move on with your day, you can bring some movement into your fingers and toes. Bend your knees up and bend them back down. And then when you're ready, find fetal pose. Roll over onto the right side of your body. Tuck your knees into your chest. Place your cheek on your arm. Top hand rests onto the floor. Just feel the grounding sensation of your palm pressing into the earth. Take a moment to recognize the work you put in today. And thank yourself for waking up early to show up, to learn, to grow. When you're ready, on an inhale, rise to a seat. Keep your eyes closed. And then this time, relax the palms down on your knees. Feel the strength of your legs, of your body. Next breath in, press your palms together in front of your heart. Bow your chin. We show up each morning in gratitude. Thank you for playing with me today. With an inhale, draw the thumbs to your third eye center. Connect that beautiful heart to your mind. With the breath out, bow forward. Namaste.